In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pabbly Connect to Google Sheets. Add row, update row. We'll start by creating a clean foundation for the automation. Log into your Pabbly Connect account and, from the dashboard, select Create Workflow. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, something like Add or Update Google Sheets row. A good name helps when you have multiple automations running. Next, set up the trigger, the event that starts your workflow. Choose the app and the event that will send data into Pabbly. You can trigger it from a form submission, such as a new response from a form tool, from a webhook sent by another app, or on a schedule that runs every few minutes or once a day. The key idea is that the trigger defines exactly when data should be pushed to Google Sheets. For example, a new form submission can instantly kick off the workflow so your sheet stays up to date without manual entry. Once your trigger is configured, connect Google Sheets to add rows. Click the plus button below your trigger to add a new action, then search for and select Google Sheets. For the action event, choose Add New Row. Click Connect to authorize your Google account, then pick the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where the data should go. Now, map your fields. Link each piece of data from the trigger to the matching column in your sheet, such as mapping a name to the name column and an email to the email column. Make sure your sheet's first row has clear headers, because those headers are what you'll see during mapping. When you're ready, click Save and Send Test Request. Switch to your Google Sheet to confirm a new row was created. This setup automatically appends new rows every time your trigger fires. If you want to update an existing row rather than always adding a new one, you'll first need to locate the correct row in the sheet. Add a Google Sheets action before the update and choose Lookup Spreadsheet Rows. Select the column you want to use as a unique reference, such as email or an ID, and map the corresponding value from your trigger so Pabbly can find the matching row. Using a consistently unique field is important here. It ensures you target the exact record you intend to modify and helps prevent duplicates. With these pieces in place, you can capture incoming data, append new rows reliably, and identify existing rows for updates, keeping your Google Sheet organized and accurate every time your trigger runs.